Hello guys, welcome to another AutoCAD video. Today we are going to be looking at some additional solid tools. So let's start off by making a box so we can test it out. And then go to the solid step above near home. As you can see here, there are some additional tools like fillet edges, dampers, shells and stuff. So let's start with fillet. First you choose fillet and then click on the edge. After you click on the edge, it will ask for an radius. I'm just going to give a random radius and you can see there is a fillet now. And it's a curve. The same thing applies for tamper face where it just tampers the entire edge. Okay, so yeah, that's basically fillet edge and fillet face, and you can see here it chamfers the edge here, and tamper face just tampers the entire face, offsets the face and everything. Right. So yeah, after that let's see shell. Shell is nothing but it just makes your object hollow. So for example, let me show you guys. So I'm gonna select this object. Now it's selected. I'm gonna remove the faces where I don't want it there. So I'm just gonna remove the top and bottom. That's the wrong one. Let me try that again. Top and bottom. After that, if I press enter, it will ask me how much radius I want it to be. So for that I'm gonna type in like 11 maybe, and then there you go, it's done. Press enter and there you go, that's your hollow object. So that's how the shell function works. Of course there are more shell functions here and there that separates and stuff, but this is the major thing. Second tab is section plane. Section plane nothing but just splits the object to your liking to show how it looks. So right now there's a plane here, so let me cancel this real quick and I should be able to click only on the plane, and if I click on it, it will give me the move gizmo I showed in the beginning. And as you can see, I can just cut the object in half and show what's inside. So this is basically what this section plane is used for. It gives a live section and shows what's inside. So yeah, that's about it. We have like multiples of these section types. Jog section just makes it more like kind of joggy way to cut it off. Live section just keeps a live section. Generate is generate, and these stuff we already saw in the home tab. Anyways, hopefully this was useful guys, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.
To obtain a course completion certificate, visit our site and finish the rest of the course video. Sign up or sign in, choose your level, watch the video and take the quiz. Finish all the quiz to unlock the final quiz and get your certificate. Happy learning!